Moonshot has unveiled the Kimi K3, and this is the most powerful open source model to date because the parameter of the model is 2.8 trillion. This is insane. This is an open source model and the parameter is 2.8 trillion and the context window 1 million token. Okay, that's why it is the most powerful model and it is the model that can actually compete with the uh, property model like OpenAI, GPT 5.6 Sol and Fable 5 and many more models. Okay, and it's written over there that while the overall performance is still the most powerful proprietary models, Claude Fable 5, GPT 5.6 Sol, and Kimi K3 demonstrated frontier level performance across our evaluation. You can see the evaluation, the deep HWE. There is a third rank in the coding. Terminal Bench 2.1, the second rank after GPT 5.6 Sol. It is surpassed the Opus 4.8. You can see over here. Kimi Code Branch 2. It is also in the second position. And HW Marathon is the first position. Okay. General Agents. You can see over here. Job Bench Kimi K3 is in the second position. And GDP Val A V2 LO in the third position. I think it is also a open source model and the performance is like a frontier level model. Okay. I can see the visual agent is a second. Okay. The insane model. You can see over here. Okay. Kimi K3 bench V2 cross score versus cost per task. You can see over here the cost is little less and the performance is very high. Okay. If you want to compare with the Claude Mythos 5 and Claude Sonnet 5, the the cost of the KME K3 is very low. It's a $5 high score. But in case of the Claude Mythos 5, there's a $25. The score is little less also from the KME K3. Okay, and this is the insane that you can use the best model in the low price. An open T3 more open class model. Kimi K3 is the first open model to the reach 2.8 trillion parameters. It marks the latest step in Kimi's sustained push at the scaling frontier. Okay, for the 9 of the past 12 months, Kimi models have set the upper bound of open model size. DeepSeek V4, you can see the open frontier model size over time. You can see over the 3 trillion model and DeepSeek for V4 Pro also in the 2 trillion, under 2 trillion. Minimax also in the 500 billion, under 500 billion. Okay, but Kimi K3 is a surface all the model. And Kimi K3 is built on Kimi Delta Attention, the attention residual. Two architectural updates designed to improve how information flows across squares, across sequence length and model depth. We have also scaled up mixture of sparsity. Okay, this is a very important mixture of expert, effectively activating 16 out of 896 experts when pressed with this stable latent MOE framework. Okay, you can see the framework. If you're interested, so you can go through this. And coding, Chemically is a strong long horizon coding performance, operating with minimal human oversight. It can sustain long engineer session, navigate massive repositories, and orchestrate terminal tools. Okay, kernel optimization also. GPU compiler development. We've further tested whether Chemically could build a GPU programming system from scratch. Chemically deployed mini Theron compact Triton-like compiler with its own tri-level IR layer. Okay, this is the score. You can see the NVIDIA L20. Okay, so if you're interested, so you can go through the blog. Everything is written in detail. So I think this is the best model. You can use this API to build your own chatbot or make your own React system. I think the price of the model is very less from the frontier model like GPT, Claude, uh, Claude Opus 5 is 4.8. Okay. So if you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like to get updated with AI just like this, so please subscribe to my channel. I'll put new video on any new insane AI update. It's not noise. I'll put a video in that actually makes matter. Okay. Thank you guys.